Been grinding away at the underside here, getting this all cleaned up. Outside is still looking really nice and sturdy. So I started to fix around the edges a bit, get a little bit more of that filled in. I got to put a couple more little strips around here. This one's looking pretty good right there. This used to be cracked, and now that's looking pretty smooth. The underside for the trunk area, I've been grinding literally all morning today, and cleaning that up so I can get some tape from the bottom side and start fixing that. We're making progress, slowly but surely. I'll have this thing done sometime. Got this up on a bucket to support, but you can see this is nice. This used to be all cracked up and weak before, but it's all strong. This is where I'm gonna have to go ahead and tape from this side so I can apply those fiberglass mat strips to the other side. Tape is all laid down on the inside here. Now I can flip the shell back over and start glassing. Got my pieces of fiberglass mat all laid out. These ones here are gonna be for this crack. These ones down here are going to be for this crack. Gonna mix up some resin and get those stuck on there. Fiberglass is laid down and that is looking really good. I'll let that set, and I think I'm gonna call it quits for today, but we're making a lot of progress. I threw a little bit more on this edge here just so I can smooth that out and give it a little bit more strength, but I'd say this is a success today.